7 benefits. The one is it has a quick way of saving all your input on a cloud-based system. It also saves one a lot of time compared to paper-based files that take a long time to complete and are difficult to maintain. Thirdly, it is very difficult to draw any information from a paper-based file, which is not the case with an IT system. Any information can be drawn easily from an IT system with the press of a button. You can access the system from home or anywhere. As long as you have your cell phone with you, you can work from there. The system helps with understanding staff performance, and you can use the system to evaluate staff performance. Lastly, it is possible to calculate the cost of services much easier when using an IT system. I think the disadvantages of the IT system is the social workers tend to have fixed ideas regarding how we used to do things. To make a change in mindset is quite difficult, and it takes time to adopt new ways of doing things. So unless everybody uses the system all the time, it will be completely useless as an information system. A chain is as strong as its weakest link. I think in the first place an IT system needs to be updated all the time, and if one person does not use it, the reliability of the resulting data is suspect. Also the cost. The system costs money to operate, mainly maintenance costs, internet costs and storage costs. It needs to be developed to fit your needs as you go along. There is now 100% off-the-shelf software. Definitely, this system is just so much more convenient and easy to use. You have to get used to writing your process reports immediately after you have completed work with a client. And then the group work option and the community work options are very useful for recording your projects. All your information is contained in one system, which is the biggest advantage. Files are no longer lying around in the offices, and one can easily see if a client was at the organization before. It is no longer necessary to take your files along with you. With the online facility, it is possible to directly access your files wherever you are. And then, if we all can link to this one system, it will be easy to exchange information and have a common system. It is easy to schedule appointments and to have reminders for critical report due dates. The world is changing, and we have to change along with it. No longer do we have to struggle with office statistics that don't add up. The system does it all for you. Yes, definitely. It was a vision of mine to go to the modern IT way, simply because I believed that as an organization we needed to get into the 21st century squarely. Switching from 100% paper-based filing and administrative system to an electronic IT system was not easy. At times it was painful, but now we see a light at the end of the tunnel. We are not yet fully automated, but have come a long way towards reaching that objective.